Hello, 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 hello. Okay, I guess we are live now. Just give me a second. Hey, I hope this time I'm audible. So yeah, just let me know in the chat if I'm audible or not. The stream is live. Hey, Ankit, Nayan, Gautam, Anish, Asmit, Manan, Likhit, Priyanshu, Greeky Gaming, Wamsi, Manpreet Singh. What's up, guys? Welcome to the stream. It was a crazy trading day today, I would say that. All right, like it was indeed a crazy day. Like I was waiting for some good opportunities for the whole day. So I'll make sure I'll just give you a breakdown of the trades that I've took, the trades that I'm planning, and obviously we'll be discussing other assets and other opportunities as well, right? How are you, sir? I'm great, brother. I'm great, brother. How are you, Greeky trader? Worms ready. Reason for the first trade, bro. Yeah. I'll break down all of the trades that I've took that you see on the screen. I'll take you like what was the logic behind the trades and what are the next trades that I'm looking at. All right, so I'll be prepared with that. Hi, sir. Hello, 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 hello. Analysis from the start, please. Yes, Manpreet will be doing that. Uh, I check out the move it gave today. All right, Anirudh Sharma will definitely check that. We'll check that out. Ansh, hello. Hey, what's up, brother? What's up? Okay. Uh, present लगा लीजिए. Yes, yes, guys. Let's see. Let's see how many old members, like not old members, but regular members, do we have on the in the chat. I'm looking in the chat as of now, and yeah, I'll be sharing the analysis part as well, the reasons for the trades that I've took today and opportunities that I'm looking at. Okay, just let me know how was your trading day in the poll that I've just posted. I'll make sure I check that as well. Sir, I want to get into crypto mastery course. Is it still worth? Obviously, it's worth. That's the whole thing that I've been using AIO Varun. That's the exact strategy, exact logic, like literally everything that I use. So from start till end, it has literally every level that I mark. How do I mark it? What's my approach? It has got literally everything. I'm sure Akshay is also in the chat. He'll make sure to share the links with you guys. All right. Cool. Yeah, so let's get to the analysis part, guys. Then the trade that we have took today, waiting for VWAP reclaim. I'm not sure, Asmit Singh, if that's the right analysis that you are having as of now. Because reclaim it has already done that, and I guess you have not understood VWAP yet. But don't worry, you can just keep asking question and I'll answer them. कैसे हो भाई दोपहर में नहीं आए live? Yes, we didn't have much opportunities today. Like afternoon was pretty much sideways, right? So it made no sense to get on a stream and bore you guys as well. So I thought I'll just look out for my levels, and once we are in some type of trending market, I'll take them. I'll take the trades. I mean, not take them. Reclaim means basically you get above VWAP, you give a good back test, and you start close, like you start to close in a very very bullish way. So that is what reclaim means in a very in a very brief manner. Obviously, there's a lot more to it, but then just for understanding purpose, that is what it means. Sweep of lows, and there was level also liquidity line. Yeah, makes sense. Ankit, makes sense. Yeah. Okay. So for the reason, let me just take you guys with the trades that I've took today. I'll give you a quick logic and also the trade that I'm planning for, right? So we'll start with Bitcoin first. Obviously, that's the main asset that we have been trading like literally each and every day. And once we are done with Bitcoin, we'll try to move to gold because gold has been literally going crazy. We did expect a new all-time high kind of move, like previous high should be taken out, and we did get that. And to be honest, I've not took many trades in gold, but yeah, this trade was like it's actually still there. Like all of these three trades, either they were taken on the stream, shared on the stream, or shared in the Telegram group. Like literally all three of them. And even earlier whatever trade I took, but at that time I was not streaming, so we are not going to be talking about that. But then all these moves that you see on the screen, they were literally discussed on the stream, taken on the stream. If they played out on the stream, they were taken on the stream, and if not, then the levels and stuff were shared right in the Telegram group as well. And Telegram group is premium, but you do not have to pay. Like it's not a paid group or something. You basically just have to sign up to BingX account. All right. So just sign up to BingX account using the link in the description. And once you are signed up, you can just like literally fill a form. All right. I'll make sure someone in the chat shares the form link, and you are basically then added to the group. That's it. You do not have to you do not have to pay anything to get into the premium group. It's absolutely free. All right. And also, as of now, I see we are at 22 likes. So, as usual, our TP1 of likes will be at 69. So, make sure everyone who has just joined the stream, you're liking it as well. And we've got our subscriber goal for today will be like, let's aim for 950. So, we are aiming for 950 subscribers by the time the stream ends. All right. So make sure everyone who's new to the stream, you are subscribed, because by subscribing, it also gives you a chance to earn free TWS coins. So yeah, we have our own coin as well, and which is called as TWS. So just by subscribing to the channel and chat by just like literally pin the BingX links I've shared above. All right, actually just do it once again. I'll make sure I pin them. So I was saying that if you're just subscribed to the channel, you stand a chance to earn free TWS coin, and you can literally use those coins to buy a lot of things, get some really great discounts, some like programs that are literally built that you can only buy using TWS coin, which is like literally free, right? So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We are aiming for 950 subscribers and obviously 69 likes. All right. Yeah. So we are supposed to start with Bitcoin first. All the trades that we have took, and like literally whatever next opportunities that we are planning. All right. So I do had my levels which were already planned. All right. So I had my first support zone right around this area, which is this exact white line, which is a weekly level. Then if like as you guys already know, I'm my whole strategy, the primary like the backbone of my strategy is obviously price action, but then most things that I use other than price action is volume and liquidity. So that was the next level that I had around this area. So I had a liquidity level, I had volume level, I had my weekly level. So on the basis of every aspect, like literally on the basis of liquidity aspect, I had a level. On the basis of price action, I had a level. On the basis of volume, I had a level, right? So all these three things basically moves the market, and I had all of them. So it was an extremely strong confluence. And then while the price was dumping, if I can move to a very smaller time frame, I'm just giving you a breakdown of the very first trade that I've took. All right, so let me just hide everything. This is my entry, so just I'll hide everything for now. All right, so you've just seen what my entry was, and right at the very bottom there were almost 3 million shorts trapped, like right at the bottom. And I, as soon as I spotted that, okay, 3 million is a big deal for the kind of volume that we had in all of this range. So it open interest, like it just spiked. There were a lot of trap traders, and by trap traders, that is how like literally justify buying numbers. I do not just assume that traders were trapped or XYZ thing. No, they were actually trapped. The numbers showed that 3 million shorts opened right at the bottom, and price was still able to move to the upside. That showed that there were like big players. The smart money was sitting in this area, and they just absorbed all the retail traders trades and moved the price towards the upside. So that's the reason for my trade number one. I had some extremely strong levels. I had some extremely strong confluence and strong confirmation, and that's the breakdown of my very first trade. Level wise, as I said, I had a liquidity based level, I had a volume based level, and then also a price action based levels. And these three things are like literally the only thing that moves the market, and I had all of them, right? And then again, just like this weekly level, I had a daily level right around this zone. So again, if I just hide everything for you guys, and this was supposed to be my trigger of entry, but for some reason I was not able to short in this area. But then again, on a 30-minute time frame, if I like literally just shift to a 30-minute time frame in front of you guys and show you, all right. So by the time this candle was formed, this was an extremely strong high. All right. Like this was a crazy strong high. In all of the price action that we have been seeing, like in Bitcoin, all the moves to the upside, to the downside, this is literally the only high that is a strong high. All right. So now again, you've got your confirmation based on timing, based on volume, based on liquidity, and based on obviously price action based levels as well. So now, since you had some extremely great confidence for shorting and for long both sides, so I'm currently in a hedge position. I'm long from the bottom. I'm short from the top. Obviously, I did some TP as well. And once that was done, the trade is still running. All right. So now, if I just had to give you a breakdown, uh, confirmation wise, obviously the closing was extremely good. My level was respected exactly how I wanted it to be respected. I could easily spot my confirmations, and I just went for this trade on a back test of my level. All right, because I missed it on the very first move. Like literally, if I was in front of my charts and if I was available, this is the exact candle where I would have entered. The move came, but as soon as I saw like a retracement, I could have just like literally spotted that okay, there are still a lot of trap traders and prices not able to breach my level. So this was an extremely strong resistance that I marked. And as I say, the levels that I mark are always database level, or they have some logic behind them. I just do not mark them because I assume that there are chances that I might get a good move or some sort of reaction, like okay, this is a support zone or resistance zone. That's never the logic of my levels. All right. So now these are the two trades that I've played out that I've just shared with you guys. Akshay, did you open your Bing? Yeah, I'll just pin it. Just give me a second. All right. uh yeah, so I have pinned it for a while, the BingX link. You guys can see it in the pinned comment, but I'll just like for it will be there for some time, and after some time I'll remove it because that's fine. Okay. Your levels are very strong. Indeed, I would definitely say my levels are strong. The way they give reactions, the way they show confirmation, it's really good. I would say I would agree with that. All right, all right, all right, all right. Cool. Bro, do you mark FRVP on which time frame? Time frame doesn't matter, Pradhan ji. The FRVP or whatever tools or indicators or whatever I use, time frame is not what is like primary thing is never time frame. It's always about the price action, like what the price action is, and based upon that, you'll be marking your FRVP tool. All right. Now I have this zone because obviously I've got my levels in this area. I've got POC. I've like literally Fibonacci levels. We've got VWAP and like some volume gap right around this zone when this pump came. All right. So if I just marked it from bottom to the top, yeah, we've got some pretty crazy volume gap right when the market pumped. So this area is my next zone of interest. But then again, all right, I'll just tell you guys, this SL is not fixed. Right when I get a reaction, right when the price reverses, my entry will like basically then shift wherever the price reverses from, and my SL will then be this smaller because before I entered this trade, my SL was looking something like this. But as soon as I was in this trade, my SL is something now like this. Same is the case with this particular entry as well. Before the entry, my SL was there. But as soon as I entered, my SL was something like this. All right. सर जी बिंगेक्स अकाउंट क्रिएट किए 3 दिन हो गए, टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में ज्वाइन नहीं किया मुझे. आई इन्फॉर्म द टीम ब्रदर. अर्नव, आई इन्फॉर्म द टीम. आई गेस थोड़े ट्रांजिशन एंड ऑल हो रहे हैं इन द टीम, सो दैट्स व्हाई द प्रोसेस माइट हैव गॉट डिलेड. But don't worry, I'll make sure by this weekend all of that is sorted. Gautam bro, I'm in crypto mastery. I know mark levels, but please tell me, can I trade only on the basis of level? Yeah, you are supposed to trade just on the basis of the levels that I have shared in crypto mastery. That's more than enough. Bitcoin in upside channel, 1 hour time frame. Okay, Likit. Okay. Cool. Yeah. So that was about Bitcoin, the trades that we've entered, the trade that we are planning as well. Uh, for gold as well, there were a few questions about gold. Abhi, since like it's more like a price discovery mode for gold, okay? Like you have just breached the previous high and we are in a price discovery mode. So you can wait just because see, I never trade on the basis of negative Fibonacci or some weird indicators or tools that will show me some imaginary resistance. I'm sure that might work, but I do not use that. So just because like I'm streaming, so my random koi bhi indicator or something I do not want to use and say okay we can short here or long here. Nahi. For gold, I would like not short at all as of now. All right, let me see what the volume is. On the top, we've got a lot of sellers, all right, and that is not a great sign to be honest. We've got mostly sellers on the top. I'm sure price will wick out once at least, even if it has to reverse. So you are still like you can still expect a move, a sweep of the current high, and this is not like on a bigger time frame that is happening on a 15-minute time frame. So sweep is not that valid. But then again, for continuation trade, obviously, as soon as you get some good pullbacks, I'll definitely recommend going long, but shorting now until the market structure changes, do not short. I would definitely recommend that. Do not short. All right. Yeah. So nothing crazy happening. This was something which we marked on the yesterday's stream. And since it was a big level, we did get a reaction, but yeah, I do not trade it anyway, so I'm not going to talk about it. So 41% of you guys are currently in green. Like today's day ended in green. That's great. We started the week like extremely on the strong note. We got some pretty great trades on the stream itself. And then obviously the levels that we discussed on stream, they played out great as well. So chalo, that's fine. Let's try to end this week on a perfect note as well. Let's try to end this week in green. So let me know in the chat, guys, like the overall week, is it green for you or not yet? Like, are you for the from Monday till today, are you guys in green or are you guys in red? Solana, I'll definitely check out Solana. Control the narrative, bro. I'll check out Solana right now. Okay. Uh, Green, Ganesh, that's great, bro. That's great. Make sure by when you end your trading day on Friday, you stay in green. All right, no break even, no loss, nothing. We have to stay in control, and our only goal is to stay in green. That's it. Doesn't matter kitna percent we are up or like 10, 20, 30. Nahin. The only thing that matters is when we close on Friday, it should like the PNL should be green. Not trading as of now, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Being ex copy trading, Shan, no, 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 no. Managing copy trading is like really hectic. You have to be like it basically drains you. Managing a ethical copy trading if you want to like do it ethically. Because I can just get you guys to sign up to copy trading and then just like literally play some random trades because I'll still be earning from it. All right. Like even if you lose, I'll still earn from it. So even the traders, that's a like no, I don't think so. Copy trading is going to be done. Akshay bhai ke bhi fans हैं in the chat. That's great. All right. So someone asked for Solana. Let's check out what Solana is doing. Solana ka we got a good trade in Solana. Like if someone was not on the stream when we were discussing, this was a trade that was given for Solana itself. Like pretty. small SL, and backtesting of this lows would have been the trigger of your like TP1. So this is those kind of trades that I tell you guys, right? Like I go for 1 is to 10 or 1 is to 15 kind of risk to reward. This is one of those trades, and this was like that's great that it was like literally shared on the stream. So it's not even like someone just trying to make up for it. This was literally shared on the stream, and most of the members did take it because I remember I got a lot of DM on Telegram with the PNL screenshots like saying, okay, this level worked out and things. So that's great. This was good. Now you can even target for much higher. Risk to reward it will be even crazier by then. But yeah, again, it was a good trade. Let's find out what next thing we can be looking out in Solana. So trend levels have played out. That's fine. All right. That's fine. What? Okay. So we have successfully reclaimed our value area low. So that's a major volume level, and we have reclaimed that. So now Solana is definitely showing strength. What I would want to see, like now, this is completely like basis of price action that I would like to see. All right. It's not something that is happening. But what I would want to see as of now, because we've already backtested, like kind of backtested our volume area low twice. So either sweep out all of this double bottom first, all right, like get another retracement right inside this box and then continuation towards the upside, hitting your POC and then your volume area high. This is like my ideal like price action that I would like to see in Solana, because by then you'll be like basically stopping out everyone who is in a long position. Everyone, like literally everyone who's in a short position is still in profit. You'll stop out each and every one of them. You'll get like pretty good liquidity because this is a double bottom, and double bottoms are not supposed to stay for much higher. And by when we do something like this, right, like agar, let's say if we reverse from here and take out all of this liquidity, we'll also be forming a double top. So you'll be taking out double bottoms first. You took out double bottom, and when you continue towards the upside, you will take out the double top as well, right? So you see, price action wise, this makes a lot of sense. But then again, we'll have to see how it develops. If it goes even higher, your POC is the next resistance, I would say, and this is an extremely strong resistance. Currently, you've got a volume gap as well, right? So in all of this area, you've got pretty good volume gap, volume deficiency, or whatever word you want to use. So we've got all of that in this particular area. We can wait. We can see if we get any confirmation. This is a shorting opportunity in Solana as well. All right, cool. But then again, that's just based upon volume. You'll have to find certain levels. Like if you mark those generic levels, like something like this, I do not mark. But yeah, that's there as well. Like support now flipped into resistance kind of trade. All right, so that's there as well. Ankit Gupta, there are a lot of members actually as of now in the crypto mastery program. Literally a lot of members after, especially after I started with the stream and things. Uh, but I'm happy that I can help the community in as many ways as I can. That's fine. Uh, yeah, Sudan Bhai, he's one of the team members as well. If you guys have any admin kind of related questions or queries, you can reach out to him. Uh, Far by today, I am read, but 4 year cycle of BT. Today I read. Okay, today I read about 4 year cycle of BTC. Do you have any idea what it is? That's mostly like mainly about halving and all. Ki the mining process, right? You know, I explained you guys right on the stream how mining works. All right. So after every 4 years, the mining process gets even tougher. All right, like there's a hash rate and stuff like that. So it keeps on increasing. So that's the reason why the supply gets even less every time, like every 4 year passes of Bitcoin. So like the pace in which the supply of Bitcoin was, it gets a bit slowed down. Ohm USD, that's you're talking about this particular token. Let's check it out. All right, crazy. I'm sure we were discussing this on the stream. We had this. Yeah, we were discussing this yesterday, I'm sure, right? Yeah, yeah, we were discussing it yesterday, and it gave a pretty crazy move. So that's a crazy pick as well. Who was the guy? Anirudh Sharma. That's a crazy pick. Now technical analysis plays out. That's fine, but you got an extremely crazy move. Yeah, I remember we were discussing about a pattern that was forming in this, and then I marked this level. Yeah, I exactly remember this, and yeah, it's crazy, crazy one, bro. Uh, so yeah, I would recommend this to each and everyone, like literally every member who is in the chat. So see, I just forgot the name of the guy who was sharing this very bit. Anirudh, yeah. So Anirudh, he's a member in the chat as of now. He asked to get the analysis done on this particular coin. And to be very honest, I didn't knew about any of this, like what the fundamentals are or how it works. I was not aware about it. So he talked about this coin. We did our analysis in whatever way we could. We marked this level. Pointed out a few different pieces of price action on this. And today you see that's the like literally a crazy move. Like what is the percentage? It's almost up by 30%, 33%, right? So you guys can do that as well. Like if you guys want to pick certain coins that can give such crazy moves, I'm more than happy to do whatever technical analysis like whatever my capabilities are. Based upon that, I'll be more than happy to do some sort of technical analysis on that, right? Cool. What else? Someone did mention about a coin in the chat. I'm really sorry, I read it, but then because I was having this discussion, uh I couldn't do it. Okay. So are you guys mostly crypto trader, or are you more into forex? Because I'm sure the if you are on this stream and if you have uh, been continuously on the stream, you most probably do not trade primarily like Indian market or stock market. So are you guys mostly into crypto, or are you into forex? Aditya Prasad, yeah, we had two opportunities, and Abhi we are waiting for the third one. I'll I would want it to get hit right on the stream so I can check some confirmation and like literally share it with you guys as well, that okay, I see this confirmation and we can get into this particular trade. So two are done, and currently we are waiting for third. By Indian or forex, that's good. Say it by that's great. Like I think that's a balanced choice. Forex, again, if you are using prop firms, that's fine, or you can use BingX. That's fine as well. Danish Shah says crypto forex Indian. So I guess that's the sequence as well. Like mostly you trade crypto and then forex and then Indian. That's fine. Please teach us how to mark levels so accurately. I'll definitely do that, brother. I'll be more than happy. And just like you can just stick around the stream. I make sure I keep sharing as many like insights as I can with you guys. So yeah, I'll do that. Don't worry. Primary on index options, but I always search for crypto gems in free time. That's great, Anirudh, because the coin that you shared and the analysis which I could do on it, it was a pretty crazy pick. So I'm sure if you can just pick a few more of such coins and we can do analysis on the stream, others will be able to benefit from it as well. Like so that would be a crazy one. Possible breakout. Yeah, definitely there is a chance in Bitcoin. So we are waiting for an opportunity. Like we've got a good long opportunity that's playing out. We got into a good shorting opportunity that is playing out. I mean, now we are waiting for the next one and we'll do that. Explain head and shoulders and double bottoms. Now, each of these patterns are something that I never consider for trading. But then again, head and shoulder, so I would say most of the time, if it's very evident, if it's very obvious, chances are extremely high that it will go against you. It will give you a like kind of a fake out in your direction and then it will just reverse. Mostly into crypto, Rahul Singh, that's good, brother. That's good. Just like me, I'm mostly into crypto as well. Uh, what is burn coins, Sarthak? That's a great question, Sarthak. I would definitely like to answer it. So, burning the coins is a term which was developed so that, see, if trading or crypto or stock markets, all of this are a part of economy, right? Like they all affect our economy in some or the other way. Abhi crypto, Bitcoin especially has a great impact on economy. Obviously, not a great, but yeah, indeed has some impact. But when there are certain meme coins or shit coins, they do not impact economy in any way. But there still is the ecosystem in this whole crypto space, anyways, which is called as DeFi. So what happens is, like, let's say if there is a lot of dollars in circulation or lot of INR in circulation, like सबके पास बहुत पैसा, so the value of money will decrease, right? The value decreases, and then all the other things starts to happen, inflation and stuff like that. So let's say agar Ethereum or Bitcoin or any AVAX, Solana or any other meme coin or shit coin, if they are very much into circulation, their value also decreases. Like they're like literally उनका price गिरने लगेगा. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा Bitcoin or a lot of Ethereum or Solana is in supply. So the developer, like each of the coin developer, like let's say Bitcoin तो वैसे बंद नहीं होता है, Ethereum or Solana or AVAX or like literally you can create your own coin as well, and then you burn it, so that like say 100% like let's say your 100% supply is 10 tokens in the market is 100% of AVAX, कि अगर market में 10 AVAX आ गए, so that's 100% supply of AVAX. So what happens is, as soon as 5, 6, or 7 AVAX gets into supply, like people are literally trying to sell and buy, and 7, 8 are there in the circulation. So the developers of AVAX will literally like take out one or two AVAX from the circulation, and they'll send it either to a wallet which no one has access to, like they themselves do not have access to them. All right. So once it is sent to that wallet, now no one can get it back. Or there are certain codes as well, like you like literally type in that 1,000 AVAX or 1,000 Solana, and they are just removed from the circulation. They will never get back in the circulation. So that way they try to keep the balance in the market, and try. This is called as tokenomics. All right, like जैसे economics एक word है ना. So where the things that keep the balance of a token are called as tokenomics. So there can be different ways how a value of token is balanced, and they are a part of tokenomics. Can you show the settings of this volume tool? Yeah, if you are looking at this tool, if you're asking about this, I have just literally changed the color of this tool and row size. So row size can be anywhere between 200 to 300. You can use that. Difference between coin and token. Coin are basically layer one. So Ethereum is a coin, Bitcoin is a coin. All right. Now let's say Trump का जो coin आया था ना, that is not a coin, that is a token. All right. Followed by coins, they are tokens. Stream lagging, just let me know, guys, if the stream is lagging or not. From my end, it shows that there are some issues. Okay, okay, okay. I get it. I get it. Now it should be good. 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 Just refresh. Just refresh. It should be good. Watching each of your public streams and making notes, listening to you for 4, 5 hours every day for 3, 4 days now. Anmol, that's that's a pretty good commitment, I would say. I mean, like obviously, I do feel good about it that you are listening to my like the streams and this information that I'm sharing. All right, but like taking out such so much time and like 3, 4 hours. Okay, we are hitting our level. Let's see how the candle closes, and we'll look for opportunities in Bitcoin. Someone asked for Ethereum as well. I do not see anything in Ethereum as of now. No, nothing in Ethereum. I would not be very keen. It might fall and then go for a breakout. Survesh. All right, all right, all right. Let's see, let's see, let's see about that. Uh, what other coins do we have? Like something that which with that might give a crazy reaction. I'm looking for them. XRP nahi, TRB. Yeah, TRB, I guess we might get a shorting opportunity, but we have spent a lot more time on this top, and that makes it strong. All right, like this is a poor high, but we are still here, so there are chances that we might get a good push to the upside. So I would not short it. Already, let's look out for already. I've already short the Bitcoin thing, so uh, yeah. See, this is like literally the same chart, like TRB and already they like if I go. So this is TRB. And then if I go to Aldi, both of them, like, their price action is literally the same. So let's see, what do we have here? It is indeed bullish, I would say. This is a really good looking price action. Oh, dumped. Yeah, it's a shit coin. So anyways, volume is not supposed to be that good. You're backtesting the previous lows as of now. All right, so you're backtesting the previous lows of already. That is supposed to be like on the basis of price action. All right, like I'm not talking about any supply zone or demand zone, but on the basis of price action, this is supposed to be a resistance, and we are seeing that as of now. But price action shows strength, so I do not like on a bigger time frame. All right, like shorter time frame, you can get some micro analysis done, but nothing else. Damn, look at that. Like, let's just assume, even if this trade doesn't work out, how strong or how great the analysis was. Like, look at this reaction, right? Like, this is what gives you actually confidence as well. Like, you are prepared with it, price comes to your level, it hits and just reverses. All right, like if someone was trading with a high leverage, this was a crazy good scalp, like risk to reward wise, extremely great. So that's something, that's indeed something. What's happening with gold? Yes, crazy. Thanks, Prem bhai. Indeed, it's crazy. Like, see, I would like never brag about me that okay, this is my lifestyle or this is my stuff or whatever. But then when I see the reactions from my level, and I've like mentioned about this earlier as well, I'm like I literally get like amazed not most of the time, but yeah, I do get even now. Like after using it for almost 7 years, I've been using the same strategy, same level, same everything. Obviously, some micro changes, but just micro, nothing major, and it still is like literally the best sort of strategy in the market. Like, let's say if I would have started streaming today and I would have said, okay, these are the three trades that I took. For most of you guys, that would have been like hard to believe that, okay, he's just like literally talking shit on the stream, or we are not even sure that did he take the stream or trade or not. But then if I can get on the stream, like literally for all of these three big trade on the gold, if I can just like literally get on the stream and if I can tell you guys, okay, this is the level even before the price gets there, all right, and then you get to see the moves. So it indeed builds trust, because I know in this streaming community, in this YouTube community, trust is something which the streamer and the community lacks, because most of them, they just think that okay, this is just another streamer or whatever, and that is the idea that we would never want to like share on the TWS platform or on this particular channel as well. We would never want that to happen, and that's why everything that is done on the stream is like literally done openly, like levels, analysis, logic, everything. Do not try to hide anything from the community. I think that is the best kind of stream can be. All right, so that is what we have been doing. Trust is there. Chalo, perfect, Geeky. And that's the major thing, right? Like, you should obviously, if you can trust someone you are watching. Like literally, I saw someone in the chat who said, I'm spending 4 to 5 hours watching the streams, making the notes. So that's like literally a big deal, right? So that's indeed a big deal. Cool. Let me just check the order flow, what the order flow looks like as of now. Give me a second, all right, guys. We've got a lot of shorts opening. Let me just hide everything. I'll give you a breakdown of what the price action looks like. We've got almost 2 million, 3 million, 3 million shorts right around this area. Again, if we start to close above this particular candle on 5 minute time frame, if I just had to mark, yeah, if we start closing above this, that is extremely bullish, because if you reclaim this, if you start to move upside, you will be squeezing out almost like more than 3 million shots. All right, 3 million shots will be just like literally squeezed out. So that's going to be a, so Abhi, this is a decisive zone. All right, like this is a decision making zone. You've got a lot of shorts who have like literally entered. If now buyers can step in, the price is supposed to go like literally crazy. Like you'll be basically stopping out all of the short trades that have happened. But then eventually we'll have to wait. US oil. Just pumping and dumping, nothing good. Okay. What else do we have, guys? Let me read the chat. Trendline formation on Doge in 1 minute. Sorry, in 1 hour. Let me just check Doge as well. Yeah, definitely there. It is there. 1 hour per. Let me check. Okay, yeah. This is still the same. I would say, कितना भी liquidity build हो जाए on the Doge to the upside or to the downside, the move will only happen once Bitcoin starts to move, right? So we'll have to wait how Bitcoin moves. Like if it is going to pump, like from what we were discussing, this will be taking out all of the highs and even to the upside, because again these are literally back to back red candles, nothing, like literally no resistance in this area, so you might take out all of these gaps as well. Footprint mastery, yeah, Akshay did share the link. You can just check. The Akshay is a moderator on this chat. He was a like not was, he's still a moderator on the main channel as well. So if you guys need any link or any support, you guys can just ask him in the chat. If you feel that I don't answer, because I make sure I answer each and everyone, like answer each chat that I see. Okay. No touch of candle. Yeah, Pradhan ji, that was not that is not yet a VWAP trade, because yeah, there's no contact yet made. सर बिंगेक्स में रजिस्टर कर दिया, एक दो ट्रेड भी कर दिए, कैसे ज्वाइन करूँ प्राइवेट चैनल? सो या शाकिब अख्तर, the private channel is absolutely free. You do not have to pay for that. What you can do is just sign up to BingX, that you have already done using the link in the description, I am sure. And Akshay will just share the link. You can fill the form. I assume you have to take 5 trades, and once you are done with 5 trades, you can just fill the form and you will be added. Can you check out Ina? Yeah, let's do that. Where do you look for 3 million shots in volume footprint? Can you share, please? Yes, Gaurav, Gaurav, bhai, I'll do that. Let's check Ina. So, y'all, let's do it on Binance. Yeah, so I guess Ina was the coin. We were discussing a pattern, something like this, the cup and handle kind of pattern. So we have discussed this on one of the streams earlier. Looks good. I would still say this looks good on basis of the price action. Koi abhi I have literally not used any level or any other thing. So just on the basis of the price action as well, this looks strong for holding. I would say for investment and all kind of, this looks like a strong coin. I'm not very sure about the fundamentals of this coin. So let's say if a bull run actually hits and all the coins starts to pump, I'm not very sure how much gains you might get to see in this coin. But yeah, based on just on the basis of price action, this looks good. All right. Far by gold check karo. Gold, yeah, we'll check out gold. Let's see gold. Gold is getting back in. We've got what do we have on the top? We've got a lot of sellers on the top. I would still not short this, to be very honest. I'm still not going to short gold अगर मैं trade कर रहा होता, because it has been showing a lot of strength. So instead of shorting, I would say look out for some good opportunities to get into a long trade. So let's do some local analysis. All right, like on gold, let's do some local analysis. We got this, the major region. Just give me a second, all right? Just give me a second. Yeah, so if this is your reversal point, I would say your first zone of interest, all right, your very first zone of interest could be this volume area high, backtesting it, and you will also be backtesting the previous high as well, right? So this zone is extremely important for gold for a continuation trade. And if we get a deeper retracement, that would be like even better, right into the golden pocket, POC of this whole trend, and then also of the whole range as well. Like if I go on a bigger, ये जो पूरा trend है on gold, you will be hitting the POC of that level as well. So a deeper retracement is always good on a bigger trend, right? Like if it's a smaller trend, smaller time frame trend, you should not expect what you call extremely deep retracement, I would say. But then yeah, again, for this, I have two levels that I'll be looking for gold in gold. Obviously, it's not an in-depth analysis, but yeah, it is what it is for now. What was the other coin that you guys were discussing? I'll just check it out. Let me know. I'm from Pakistan. I want to join your private channel. Yeah, you can join the private channel. It's absolutely free, brother. Make sure there's a BingX link, which is in the description and also in the pinned chat, like on the top. If you sign up using that link, you'll be sign up using that link. You get a chance to win up to 6,000 USDT if you just sign up using that link, and you get trading fee discounted. You stand a chance to win up to 6,000 USD, and also if you take few trades, you will be added to the premium group as well. Like you'll have to just fill the form, and once you have filled the form, you'll be added. Beam USDT. Let's see. Okay, this is weird. Okay. I'll have to go on a bigger time frame. I think this is a crazy pick, bro. Like this is a crazy pick, I would say, on Beam USDT. And this coins like this, I would highly recommend that it would be much better. Okay, you see such crazy respect for our levels, the reversals, the everything. Like this is good. Like I do not just have to say it. You guys can just see it on the screen itself, right? Like this is why volume makes sense. Like this is why tracking volume makes sense. This is why all of this logical levels make sense rather than just assuming that okay, we might get to see a reversal or continuation कि okay, पिछली बार यहाँ से रिवर्सल आया था तो इस बार भी आएगा or something like that. Tanik Tanik Mehta, I'm sure that's the name. Yeah. So अभी थोड़ी देर पहले I did share the views on Bitcoin. अभी again we'll get to it. Do not worry. We'll be discussing that as well. So on Beam USDT, and this I have a question for everyone who is in the chat, and especially for the members who have been very active, like from the very first stream. What do you guys think if we get a good move towards the upside? What do we like? What do we call that move? Like what do we call it? The move to the upside. अगर यहाँ से price reverses, like aggressive move, what are we going to call it? पहले वाले बुल रन के बारे में बताइए थोड़ा. How was the market? Yeah, that's interesting, Greeky trader. I think that's a really interesting like price action that we can discuss, because उसमें बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हुई थी which were like very unconventional, which you would have anticipated कि okay, because a price action like this is forming, so we are going to trade in a certain way, but then it was like absolutely opposite. So that's a pretty good question, and not just on the stream. I would also like to make a video, whole video on it, that how the previous bull run happened and what was the price, and just on the basis of technical analysis. Short squeeze, short squeeze, short squeeze. Yeah, so everyone said short squeeze. And if there's anyone, my voice lag ho raha hai. Can someone confirm if my voice is lagging or if the stream is lagging? I don't think so. It should happen, but if it is happening, just let me know in the chat. Is the stream lagging or is the voice lagging? Because from my end, it shows excellent condition. No. It's fine. It's fine. No. Chalo, perfect. I guess thoda bahut, then I might be having some Wi-Fi issues today. All right. So in between there would have been certain issues, but other than that, everything is fine. The stream connection shows excellent connection. So yeah. Chalo. So everyone said short squeeze. All right. So I do not have to again like explain you guys what short squeeze is, since most of you guys know. अगर किसी को नहीं पता, just let me in the chat. Let me know in the chat if you do not know what a short squeeze is. But then again, yeah, so this that is the sort of price action that you can be expecting in Beam. And let's say if a short squeeze had to begin right from here, you can be expecting a 200% move. And what will be even better is if you just go a bit more lower. All right, do not go for the sweep. That is something which everyone is going to be expecting, right? Not you only, I also facing the network problem. Chalo, that's fine. Everyone is facing network problems together. But yeah, as I was saying, not a sweep, but a bit more deeper retracement, leave the volume area low, go a bit lower and then reclaim it. And just think, people will be like extremely bearish on this piece of price action. Everyone is just going to short the hell out of this coin, and then you just like literally squeeze all of them out. So that move is going to be more than like 200% move. So that's going to be crazy good. Short squeeze, I have like explained in one of my like not one but on various streams about short squeeze. But if I just had to explain it to you what short squeeze mean, I'll do it like एकदम brief तरीके से. I'll make it very quick. So if you can mark a trend line like this on a piece of price action, this is not a trend line. I'm sure the chat will let you know what do we call this trend line. It's not actually a trend line. So someone in the chat will definitely answer to that. So if you can mark something like this, all right, yeah, it was done in the very first stream, Manpreet Singh, that's correct. So if you can mark a line like this, and this signifies, this shows that literally everyone who has been shorting this piece of price action, this trend towards the downside, each and everyone is like literally in profit. All right, all the short trades that have opened are in profit. And liquidity line, liquidity, yes, Gautam, that's correct. Prem, that's correct. Preet, Nayan, Greeky Gaming, Ankit, Rahul Singh, Rathod. Perfect, perfect, perfect. That's the perfect answer. This is the liquidity line. All right, and not a trend line. So make sure next time if someone calls it a trend line, you can correct them. Chalo. So if you have something like this, and that it's pretty obvious everyone who has been shorting this is currently in profit. So what happens is like market makers will never let you stay in profit for a really long time, especially to the retail traders. And this is very easy. Like you can short every pullback. Okay. And everyone is again in profit. So what happens is you just literally get a, a bit like slow move towards the upside and then just literally an aggressive move. All right. A slow move towards the upside and then an aggressive move. So it will take like probably 15, 20 or 30 days for you like in this slow grind. It would have taken 30 days, but then a move with like this would like hardly take a day or even less, right? So that is what you call as short squeeze. भाई सुदान के टेलीग्राम नहीं मिला मेरे को. अंश, आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाट द इशू माइट हैव बीन, बट कोई इशू नहीं है. समवन फ्रॉम द टीम विल रीच आउट टू यू. सुदान भाई आई गेस इज अ बिट occupied. He's currently traveling if I'm not wrong. So I'll make sure I'll let someone from the team know to get whatever issue you have to be like get it sorted. Uh, yeah, you can contact him on Discord as well. He's always there. All right, bro. Thank you. No worries, Ansh brother. No worries. All good. Gold. What is gold doing as of now? Yeah, it's just trying to get inside the zone. That's it. Uh, can we go long on Beam here? I would say, do not trade it. Do not leverage. Do not perpetual trade it. Go for spot. Or even if you're going on perpetual, I guess 2x should be your maximum leverage and not more than that. 2x like literally max to max, because coins like that, they do give a pretty good pullback before the pump. And as of now, there's no clear direction for Bitcoin. And once Bitcoin confirms, you can go heavily in all the altcoins as well. That is what I would say. So we have 52 likes already. Goal one, which is basically TP1 of this of this stream, is 69 likes. So make sure you guys have already liked the stream, and everyone who is new to the stream, make sure you are subscribed as well. Because I know I do keep on repeating this, but again, if you are subscribed to the channel, you are basically earning free TWS coin, and you can like literally use that to buy a lot of things and get some really good discount as well. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you have already liked the stream as well. Yep. Please teach us marking levels on today's stream. Marking levels can be done, but again, that's a pretty long process. Like if I'm teaching, I obviously I need to keep it as beginner friendly as possible. So it's not about it's very complicated or thing like that, but then it is going to take a lot of time. So eventually I'll keep on discussing about some or the other levels that I'm using. It's not, I'm not saying that, okay, I'm not going to be discussing about my levels or whatever, but then एक ही stream पे discussing about all of it is going to take a lot of time. And because I would not just want to tell you, okay, this is like this is the level that I mark. I want to share the logic as well. I want to go in depth कि अगर वो level mark करता हूँ तो क्यों करता हूँ, where do I get it from, what is the logic, and how it like how it works. What is TWSC? TWSC is a like TWS and C stands for coin. So that is our very own coin. And if you are subscribed, you are basically earning it for free. Vamsi ready. Is Crypto Master beginner friendly? Yes, absolutely beginner friendly. Uh, Crypto Mastery, if you get into Crypto Mastery, you can be it's made in a way that every beginner who is like literally new in the market can get his journey like literally done from a beginner trader till advanced. It's not about keeping you intermediate from beginner till advanced. That one program is perfect. वीडियो कब पोस्ट हो रहा है? Again, it was supposed to be posted today. I'm not sure क्या issue हो रहा है. It was done. Like it is done, but yeah, I'll check. I'll let you guys know. अब आज नहीं हुआ तो I'm pretty sure कल तो हो ही जाना चाहिए. 1K सब्सक्राइबर पे क्या करेंगे? 100, या 1K पे, नॉट 100K. 100K पे तो थोड़ा सा टाइम है. 1K पे क्या करेंगे? I'll let you guys know. Currently we are 899 subscribers. We are aiming for 950 subscribers on this very stream. All right. So make sure you guys are subscribed so that kal tak we hit 1,000 subscribers, and over the weekend we do have game night planned as well. So if you guys are aware of that or not, I'm not sure, but we have a game night planned on this weekend. Do you guys know about it? We have a game night plan. A lot of members were already up for it. How long in hours is crypto mastery program? I'll have to check, brother. मतलब exact hours I'll have to check. But it has a decent it's decent. You get to learn everything. It's all in depth, and nothing is just like ऊपर ऊपर से समझाने वाला thing is not done on that. Everything, every level, everything is like literally in depth. Okay. TDM, yes, yes. Which game? We were most of the members on the stream at that particular time, they said because most of them play mobile games, a lot of members didn't have a good PC or something like that. So the plan was to, yeah, so the plan was to play a mobile game, and we were discussing to go for BGMI. And Sayed Bhai, if I'm not wrong, he had a room card, if I'm not wrong, or someone in the chat had a unlimited room card. So we are going to be playing TDM in BGMI. So I'll just post a poll. Let me know how many of you guys are up for it. Okay, so I've just posted a poll. Let me know if you guys are up for it or not. And yeah, so we can, and the game is supposed to be BGMI. So let's say for this week we can do BGMI. Next week we can come up with something else. Valorant was obviously an idea, but Anirudh bhai, I'm the worst Valorant player, so I would not want कि मैं सबके सामने noob skills present करूँ. I'll have to like मेरे IDs I'll have to assign Sidhant bhai to play because he's a great player, to be honest. I've seen him play when we were in Hyderabad. He's a great Valorant player. Like literally whatever game he plays, he has like and he has like good experience with gaming as well. He was like on top of the all most of the servers, most of the game that he played, especially CS:GO. If I'm not wrong, he was Counter Strike. Yeah, he was doing really great. 30 se zyada room card hai. Prem bhai, that's great. I'm sure we won't use it all on like in one day, like in one gaming night. So we can also keep it for some other time. But then again, let me know how many of you guys play BGMI. So how many of you guys play BGMI? Just let me know in the chat, yes or no. So we can like organize it accordingly. What's happening in the market? Fun, Trump, Polygon, TR. Nothing good. Like Bitcoin will dumpy or I'm sure. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. It is. Bitcoin is dumping. Let's see how it reacts. We've got a Fibonacci level if I'm not wrong. Yeah, Fibonacci broken. Fibonacci is आपको you got that reaction. Fibonacci is taken out. Your last hope as of now, I would say, is 786. If this gets taken out, we are done. Let me just check out what the order flow looks like as of now. Damn, we got 3 million shorts. We've got 3 million shorts in this area. 3 million. So 3 millions were earlier and 3 millions as of now. And in this situation, like literally in this particular situation, let me just zoom in. Let me check किस price पे most of the shorts 100 is actually where 1.1 million shorts have opened. All right, so if I mark it for you, 105, what was it? 105030, like at the bottom somewhere. So we've got 105030. So we have like literally 1.1 million shorts in this region. So if you stay afloat this, definitely we are moving. Second step of strength would be reclaiming VWAP. And that is how you do not like you're not supposed to micromanage your trades, but then again, this is how you make logical decisions, informed decisions, right? So that is how you do that. Chalo, great. That is huge. That is indeed huge. Like you've got 1.1 million shorts and currently they are underwater. All right. They are not stopped out, they are not liquidated, but they are underwater. So if now again that's the same phenomena. You get shorts at the bottom, they are getting trapped. Now longs needs to start to step in, and if they do, this is going to take out this high as well. I'm pretty sure. But again, you've got the first step clear. Now you need to see the second step as well. See, अभी order flow को use करने का there are various other ways and not other ways, but you are supposed to use them in different ways. I just make sure I share the most basic one with you guys. But eventually, if you just like stay around the streams, I'll make sure I talk about those advanced things as well. OI is also dumping by. Let's check that. Let me just check it out. मैंने open interest देखा ही नहीं. I just checked the order flow. Give me a second, all right? Yeah, open interest is down. As of now, the longs are basically getting stopped out. So there are no longs, no shorts. Exactly, like at the very moment that I'm talking, there are no longs opening, like no major longs opening, no major shorts are opening in Bitcoin, and that is why it's doing what it is doing. And if we lose this 1.030 wala level and start to move down, yeah, so we don't have a chance for this particular one. Cool. What else do we have? Check out the link. What link are we talking about? Prem bhai is losing. इसके लिए you should never gamble, Prem. But you have pretty good amount of TWSC, yeah. This is you got good amount of TWS coins, so it's great. The best part is absolutely that you are investing your time in learning and making free TWS coin. That's a great thing. Great thing I would say. Gamble से क्या होता है? You can just gamble it in the chat. Either you double it or you lose it all. So that's how you do it. INJ. Let's check out INJ USDT. INJ looks strong. Looks strong as of now. Yeah, it is strong. It is going strong. And अभी pretty much all the altcoins, all the mid cap kind of altcoins, yeah, lower mid cap, they are still showing the same kind of price action. Why am I not getting any TWSC? That is because Samrit Singh, probably you're not subscribed to the channel. Just subscribe to the channel so that you can start to earn some free TWS coin, and obviously like the stream as well. We are aiming for 69. Currently, we are at 62 likes. So do that. Difference between crypto mastery and footprint. Crypto mastery has all the levels, like exactly how I mark them, how I plot them, what's the logic, from like literally from beginner till advanced. And then footprint is all about the order flow, about open interest, about CVD, about how to identify strong highs, strong lows, poor highs, poor lows, what should be the approach. So it's basically, if someone is at intermediate level, footprint is for you guys. If you are at intermediate level, all right, it's not about if you are profitable or not. That's not the question. If you have the basic understanding of market, footprint is for you. But if you are someone who is extremely beginner, or at intermediate level, you've got the understanding but levels are not good, strategy, you need a extremely great, extremely proven strategy, then I would say you can go for crypto mastery. So crypto mastery is mostly focused on strategy, levels and everything, and then footprint is focused on order flow, open interest, CVD and all of those things. 900, are we currently at 900 subscribers? That's good. That's good. Congratulations, guys. We are already at 900 subscribers. This is probably the second week of this channel, so we are going really, really strong. The target for this stream is supposed to be 950 subscribers, so make sure you guys are subscribed to the stream. Sorry, to the channel and like the stream as well. What is weekend game night? So Aditya Prasad Sahu, I'm not sure if you are into mobile gaming or PC gaming, but we have planned gaming night, which will be probably on the Sunday. Sunday should be good, right, guys? So let me know in the chat if Sunday is fine or not. Uh, so just we'll have a BGMI, like someone has got a lot of room cards as well. So we'll be playing some TDM with the community. Kunal, footprint mastery पे you can use crypto 24, CRYPTO 24. So अगर if it's still available आप उसको use कर सकते हो. I'm not sure वो कितने टाइम तक available रहेगा, but जब तक है you can make sure use it. फुटप्रिंट बस 2 आर का है, यस, बिकॉज उसमें इट्स नॉट अबाउट ये स्ट्रेटजी एंड ऑल ना, उसमें इट्स मोर अबाउट ऑर्डर फ्लो एंड टूल्स. सो लिटरली एवरी टूल हैज बीन एक्सप्लेन उसमें भी इन डेप्थ तरीके से, सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट द ड्यूरेशन, यू वोंट हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस. एंड ऑल्सो if you get into any of this program, be it footprint, be it crypto mastery, you are also added in an exclusive server, like you get exclusive channels jahan par you can discuss with like literally like-minded people, not even like-minded people, the people who are exactly using the same strategy, so you can discuss with them. You get access to live streams, you get access to doubt solving sessions. So this is literally, which is a game changer kind of thing in our trading community, in all of the programs that are there. No one provides you with doubt solving session, no one provides you with a platform where you can discuss with other members who are using the same strategy. And plus, the most important side that I would tell you guys is you get access for literally lifetime. All right, it's not limited. That was one of the major thing that we were discussing right when we came up with this program. Key learning is supposed to be like never ending process, and if we make it for a for 1 month or 15 days or 2 months, I think that that hampers your learning process. So we made it lifetime, and that's there. इंस्टा पे रिक्वेस्ट नहीं एक्सेप्ट करी आपने? आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू हैव सेंट अ रिक्वेस्ट. आई बेसिकली चेक इट राइट नाउ. If you want me to, I do not see any request, to be honest. So yeah, अगर भेजा भी है, जिनकी भी है, I'll just accept it. It should, or maybe probably after the stream, not the correct time as of now. But yeah, if you have shared the Insta pay request, I'll check it out. Don't worry. Yeah, Akshay bhai, he's already like he's Akshay is sharing the links in the chat. So whatever links you need, you can just let him know. He has all of the links with him. All right, all right. Fartcoin pay we did analysis like recently. Then it went like 30% right from our level. Gave you a deeper retracement, took out all of this liquidities, and now again it is reclaiming the very same level on 30-minute and on the basis of price action and TPO. This is a really good looking bottom, to be honest. Based upon price action, this indeed looks strong. All right. So if this bottom holds, because it has developed after taking out all of the previous liquidity, the retracement was even better. So if it holds, you might, if it holds, yeah, only if it holds, you might get to see a pretty good squeeze of, let's say, 130, 140%. So at least 100% to the upside. फत भाई व्हाट इज डेक्स स्क्रीनर? ट्विटर पे बहुत लोग पोस्ट डालते हैं $1 को $1 million में कन्वर्ट कर दिया यूजिंग डेक्स स्क्रीनर एंड मीम कॉइन. इज इट फेक? नो, इट्स नॉट फेक गौतम भाई, बट या $1 को $1 million करना, दैट दैट हैज that is pretty like not impossible, because in the real DeFi space, like the space which you and me, we are not regularly using. Okay, I say I do use, but then again, since we are here on the stream and on the chat, I'll tell you. There are coins that are launched which like actually are never listed on the exchanges that we are using, and then they go 10,000, 20,000, 30,000% up and down like in a very same hour or so. So in those scenarios, it's possible to like invest $1 and make like crazy returns with it. And because you have just invested $1, so you won't even panic when it starts to get in profit, right? So you are like कि अगर गया भी तो क्या $1 जाएगा. And to make like you make literally $10,000 or $20,000 as well, like from $1 itself. So deck screener is obviously one of the tools which I personally use that as well, and a lot of people who are in the crypto space, they are using that as well. हाँ, आज ही देखा $2 पे 40 के डॉलर. Yes, yes, and I'll tell you guys that is absolutely possible. Like investing $1, $2, $10 and booking 10,000 or 20,000 or even 100K dollars from it. That is extremely, extremely possible. It's not something which is not possible. Aave, let's check out Aave. We had some good opportunity with this one as well, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, if Aave has poor lows as of now, it has got poor low. If you start to break towards the upside, yes, definitely you got to enter in Aave as well. It is indeed showing some strength. So you have got you can get into this one. You can definitely get into this one. If this breaks the high, moves towards the upside, it breaks the high, that is your trigger. Your SL can be lower. It's a risky one, to be honest. I would that is, and again, it's not based on how I trade. This is not my trading style, but yeah, valid to have based upon price action. You can get into a quick scalp in this area. How to learn Dex spinner and meme coin trading? Gautam, I'll make a video if you want me to, like on such opportunities which you can be using in crypto space, like making thousand of dollars using $100 or $10. But then that will be eventually done. Like abhi we are focusing on beginner friendly concept, as I said, right? So we are going to be doing that. Like I'll make sure that we are posting some videos which helps you to understand what is cryptocurrency, how it works, what are the opportunities, what how the transaction works, and all of those things. All time high. Yes, yes, Gautam bhai. It is gold is at all time high. Very good. Okay, so Bitcoin is done, guys. Bitcoin is done. What what's going on? Let me give you a breakdown as well, like what was happening. What is I marked that level, right? Where was that? It moved. Okay, yeah. So we are at that level. अभी let me give you the live scenario. अभी live क्या हो रहा है? Yeah, it's basically just short 2.7 million, 3.1 million, like 5.8 million shorts are opening below the VWAP. So now again, I'll definitely re-enter this trade. I am not going to because this looks strong. All right, because this looks strong, and that's the only reason why I will re-enter into this trade. If we obviously if we reclaim the VWAP, and this is not yet triggered, guys. So if someone is just looking at it, this has not yet been triggered. But if we start to squeeze all of the shorts at the bottom because they are like literally at the bottom. All right, if I share it with you guys. Okay, 3 million shorts. Yeah, so they are all around 105030. All right. 1050, yeah. So 105 is the level where we've got a lot of shorts. So if you get above VWAP, you get a good closing. It's going to be pretty insane. Like the move will be good. It will be perfect. भाई डेक्स ट्रेनर पे हम इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं इंडिया से, या वो प्रेम भाई, सी डिफाई इज द स्पेस जहाँ पे कंट्री वेंट्री का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। वहाँ केवाईसी, वहाँ पे आधार कार्ड, ये सब की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती। यू डू नॉट नीड एनी सच थिंग, यू जस्ट नीड अ लैपटॉप और अ पीसी और अ मोबाइल फोन, crypto wallet and some crypto in that wallet. That's it. That's all you need, and internet connection, obviously. Yes, Gaurav Pant, all the data that I am reading, all the numbers that I'm reading, if you learn to use footprint, if you learn to use order flow, you'll be like talking in the same way. You'll be understanding the market in the very same way. लगता है स्ट्रीम स्नाइप हो रहा है, या आई गेस गौरव, नहीं गौरव नहीं, अंकित भाई, आई गेस I've seen a lot of traders that I've been in, like which I have been in personally in touch with, all right, and they trade with pretty heavy quantity, like 100k is like the least, 100k or 50k USD or even higher than that, that's their like normal trading वो, okay, and like that's very normal, उससे बहुत ज्यादा से वो ट्रेड करते हैं, and they stream, all right, those people even stream as well, okay, जो 3 करोड़ 4 करोड़ से एक बार ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, वो भी स्ट्रीम करते हैं, because obviously they like doing that what they are doing, and they never show their SL on the stream, they will never show you कि उनका SL कहाँ है, even if they show their entry, most probably they won't show their entry like ekdam openly, but if they do, they will never show you where their SL is, because literally their SL is what market makers are hunting for. That is what the smart money is against, like where they would like the price to go first. So I know traders who can never show their SL like publicly or on the live streams. Fad by salute. चलो ठीक है शुभम भाई, thanks for that. Thanks for that, Shubham bhai. Thanks. Uh, how many subscribers are we at right now? Currently at 901 subscribers. Guys, make sure you are all subscribed, because just by subscribing, you are earning free TWS coin, which can obviously be used for buying a lot of different products, different stuff, getting some really good discount. And then again, our target was like TP, one of the likes is exactly at 69. We are currently at 65 likes. So make sure if you have not liked the stream, you are liking it as well. All right. So we did a poll for the weekend game night. Almost 72% of you guys said yes. So do you guys play BGMI or not? Just let me know in the chat if you guys are playing BGMI or not. So that we can decide the game as well, like right now, if BGMI is fine with us or not. Prem says yes, chalo theek hai. Sir, what is Hit Point Club 10k TWS coin per? What is Hit Point Club 10k? I'll have to see that again. No BGMI. Piyush says no BGMI. Okay, okay. Uh, Milestone says yes. Anish says yes. Darshan Patel says yes. Ganesh says yes. Father, I think you don't trade. Indian market, I don't even look at Indian market, Shubham bhai. No offense, but yeah, I do not even look at Indian market. Like, अगर कुछ analysis and all करना पड़ा just on the basis of price action, I can definitely discuss that. But yeah, I don't even look at Indian market for trading purpose, especially I don't. BGMI 80 level ID 3 years से बंद. That's sad, but yeah, let's see weekend पर who has got some good skills. Uh, I've been playing BGMI for some time as well. Like last Khelwe, it has been long time now, but yeah, I have played BGMI, so it's there because obviously if you guys don't know, I was working with esports organizations and all, so like Soul, then Enigma Gaming and all. So obviously, if you are in a esports organization, obviously you are going to be playing games as well, right? We used to have gaming nights in these organizations as well, where the whole management used to play against the like team players and all. Please no gaming on this channel. Yeah, we are not going to play it on stream, bro. We are not playing it on stream. We are doing it like we can all connect through Discord and play then. That's fine. फार बाय को इंडियन मार्केट में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है या आई स्टार्टेड विथ इंडियन मार्केट लाइक each and every one of us here. I saw it for probably a month or so, and then I just shifted completely to crypto market. And crypto maybe I've been trading Bitcoin, like literally Bitcoin for 7 years. So Bitcoin is the major asset. 8 bit thug की शादी कर ली. Yes, that's good for him, right? That's good for him. But that guy abuses a lot. Like if you see him in real life, like literally every sentence that he says, हर दूसरा word उसमें गाली है. Prem bhai, it's 16. Uh, that's it's 16. Father, do you remember me like when we have been on voice call in Discord several times, and also I quit Indian market, but now I am doing Forex. Forex is fine. I'm sure if you're doing Forex, you are using a funded account, prop firms and all, because you cannot trade it legally, right, in India. So make sure you do that, or you can sign up using BingX because BingX when you trade those pairs, it's you are trading using crypto, like trading using USDT. So that's fine in some way. अंकित गुप्ता. ओके या मतलब ठीक है अभी you and it makes no sense. I'll tell you guys, iPhone 15, 16, all of these models, if you are just getting it for a sake of let's say कि हाँ बहुत hype है या अच्छा लगेगा मेरे हाथ में, if that's the case and you are going to be sacrificing something to get that iPhone 15 or 16, I'll say it's not at all worth it. Like इससे पहले वाले iPhones, I would have definitely recommended, all right. बट अभी तो बहुत वियर्ड है, मतलब देयर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज लाइक मोर वेरी वियर्ड एंड एवरीथिंग, बहुत कुछ चेंज किया एंड बहुत सब कुछ आईफोन हैज बीन लाइक वेरी वियर्ड. आई वुड से सैमसंग यूज करना इज फार बेटर देन आईफोन, बट वही है कि 1 लाख का सैमसंग रखो, 1 लाख का आईफोन रखो, आईफोन हैज much more higher value, much more respect. So that is what it gets you. That's weird, Manan bhai. Matlab, what that girl, what that girl said, I think that's pretty weird for her to say. मैं तो 5 साल से एक ही फोन चला रहा हूँ. वो भी अच्छा है. Why to change it? अगर कुछ खराब नहीं है, then why change it? Because gaming is too good in iPhone. Yeah, it is. But iPhone पे gaming तभी सोचो when you are going to be like a pro, or if you are trying in esports and all. Else you don't need to do that. हाँ, एप्पल के स्टॉक्स ले लो. या दैट मेक सेंस एज वेल. वो भी बहुत ज्यादा हाइप्ड है वैसे तो, बट देन अगेन और इफ यू गिव सच एडवाइस टू समवन हु इज नॉट इनटू फाइनेंस, दे विल बी मोस्टली लाइक कि हाँ ये ही इज वन ऑफ दोज गाइस कि टेस्ला की कार मत खरीदो, टेस्ला के स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट कर लो. एप्पल का फोन मत खरीदो, एप्पल के स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट कर दो. सो दोज पीपल हैव डिफरेंट व्हाट यू कॉल इमेज एज वेल. बीच पर्सन और माउंटेन पर्सन, ग्रीकी गेमिंग बाय. From my house, mountains are like literally again, mostly everything around my house is from 10 minutes के distance पे. 10 minutes पे I can be at the mountains, like on those hilly areas and all. And 10 minutes pe hi I can be at the beach as well. Like beach is behind my house and mountains are in front of my house. Yes, I'm using funded account. That's perfect, bro. Shubham, that's perfect. Okay. A lot of shorts have been trapped right below the VWAP. मतलब अभी हम जहाँ पे we've got a lot of shorts trapped. Sellers, see, we've got, as I said, 5.8 million shorts trapped below the VWAP. Okay. And अभी 1 million longs भी enter नहीं किए. So now this is the time when longs are supposed to enter, squeeze out these short trades, get them either stopped out or liquidated. And then if that happens, because 5 million is a good liquidity for this particular price action, so you might get to see a really aggressive move as well towards the upside. So it all depends now in this particular area. I'll mark the level and yeah, and get rid of VWAP as well. So yeah, now this is kind of a make it or break it zone. And this 1.1 million shorts is now 5.8 million shorts. So lose this 5.8 million shorts, you are going even lower. Reclaim our key level. I'll just name it key. Reclaim the key level. So now this is literally the area where buyers and sellers are fighting. All right, this is literally that area. Even the open interest is basically now stabling out. It's getting stable. Longs are not that strong. Yeah, longs are not that short. Basically, this move is only because shorts are getting like they are booking. Or everyone who was in a short trade are now booking their profit, and that's the reason why it's moving towards the upside. That's the only reason. Uh, फाद भाई कल मैंने आपके इंस्टा देख रहा था बाइक तो है आपके पास प्रेम भाई दैट आर लाइक ऑल माय ओल्ड बाइक्स एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम आई हैव लाइक लिटरली डिलीटेड एज वेल अभी एक या दो ही बाइक आपको मेरे उस पे इंस्टा पर दिखेगी अदर देन दैट आई हैव जस्ट डिलीटेड एवरी other bikes and other images as well so someone asked me for my Insta ID. Uska, I'm not, I don't actually remember my Insta ID. So someone, every time someone asks me for my Insta ID, I have to ask someone to share it in the chat. So if someone can just do it, uh, I'll, I can just like point it out that, okay, it has been shared in the chat. फाद भाई ये बताया नहीं ग्रेवयार्ड कितनी दूर है ग्रेवयार्ड भी है ग्रेवयार्ड थोड़ा 30 मिनट्स नहीं 15-20 मिनट्स है या 15-20 minutes is from my area because see even if some like for to cover a okay I have a like pretty interesting question for you guys we'll get to know कि कौन किस टाइप की एरिया में रह रहा है if you have to travel a distance of 10 kilometers all right from your place in certain direction okay so 10 kilometers travel करने में how much time will it take in your locality like based upon traffic and everything so in peak traffic if you have to travel 10 kilometers in your area how much time will it take okay I'm getting some follow request on Instagram yeah I guess someone did share the user ID मैं point out नहीं कर पाया yeah Prem by did so if someone wants to follow on Insta you have that Fad bro request sent yeah I'll check so Anmol says 30 minute Sayed says 1 hour Manan Agarwal Ganesh so 10 kilometers in 3 minutes ब्रो यू आप आप कहाँ रह रहे हो भाई 10 किलोमीटर 3 मिनट में कुणाल सेज 1 hour एटलीस्ट 1.5 hours all right so see most of you guys like the common answer was that you'll be taking more than 1 hour or at least 50 minutes or 1 hour for me it's going to be in minutes because I've like the peak traffic is also no traffic where I stay all right so that's the reason why कि अगर मेरे को 10-15 kilometers भी travel करना it's going to take very short time so if I have to go to the mountains if I go to the beach or if I go to the malls or city no it's not like actually that particular area but yeah it takes very less time milestone says 2 hour 10 kilometers के लिए 2 hour that's like no I'm not sure what I should say कि 10 किलोमीटर travel करने के लिए it's taking 2 hours so just see what the waste like waste of time it is if you are traveling just 10 kilometers for your school or your college or your job. So much of your time is just wasted in that. Kush, you can be using Crypto 24 uh, as a coupon on that. You'll get some discount if it is still valid, because I'm not sure if it is currently or if it's not. But if it is, you can, yeah, you can use that. Cool. Abhishek, I do see your request, guys. I do see your request, and as soon as the stream ends, I'll make sure I'm uh, accepting this that as well. भाई बैंगलोर में तो एक आर लगता है. बैंगलोर की traffic is very famous, guys. Like बैंगलोर की तो traffic, if someone can survive that, that's good. Also, कितने subscribers? We are at 905 subscribers. That's great. TP1 of like has been already hit. So TP1 was at 69. What is our TP2 of likes, guys? If you can just let me know what is supposed to be the TP2. Father, I want to ask something from you, but I will ask on Discord later. During my free time, will that be okay? Like you can be available there. Shubham, I'm not sure. मतलब आप जब available हो तब मैं हूँ या नहीं हूँ. How can I say that, right? So yeah, just drop a DM. अगर if I get a chance, I'll check it. Or if not, then just ask it on the stream. If it's not something very personal, you can just ask it. Uh, Fadro, where can we see CVD and OI? There's a website called as Coinalyze. मतलब I can give you the tool if you can, like, you'll have to be joining all the streams to understand how to use them. Varna, these are some pretty advanced tools. Again, simple tools but advanced tools. And if you do not figure out like how to exactly use them, it will really mess up your trading psychology and the whole trading as well. Gujarat, Gujarat, या Mumbai का. It's in Gujarat, brother. So someone asked TWSC coin lose or नहीं, there might be some glitch or something, or you might have used it like किसी. But nah, it's if you have not used it, there might be some glitch. It will get back. Don't worry. So if someone is not aware what TWS coin is, so if you are subscribed to the channel and if you are joining the streams, interacting in the chats, obviously liking the stream, so you stand like not stand, but you get free TWS coin. Like everyone is as of now receiving TWS coin, and you can use them for buying a lot of things, getting into a lot of different programs and all. So your Insta ID, someone like I am sure Prem just shared it in the chat. So Insta ID is Fahad underscore Siddiqui 217. Fahad underscore Siddiqui 217. चलो अब मुझे खुद को याद हो गया. That's good. When I didn't remember like my own वो. Fahad, by my trading strategy is like wait for market to hit a level and then wait for a chance of market structure. How can I backtest the strategy on Bitcoin and ETH? You'll have to do that manually, Jayesh bhai. You'll have to do that manually. इस तरीके के backtest, I'm pretty sure. So you'll have to mark your zones, mark your levels, see where the structure and everything shifts. Uh, मेरा TP1 था, फ्रंट रन हो गया. फ्रंट रन, ऑलवेज फ्रंट रन योर ओन लेवल एज वेल. मतलब सी, इफ आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जांपल ना, लेट्स से आपने यहाँ पर लॉन्ग किया हुआ है, यू गॉट इनटू अ लॉन्ग पोजीशन हियर एंड दिस वाज योर टीपी. ऑलराइट, दिस वाज योर टीपी. अब एसएल वैसल कुछ भी हो, ऑलराइट, डजंट मैटर. कल फिर से भूल जाओगे, या आई एम श्योर आई वोंट रिमेंबर इट फॉर अ प्रीटी लाइक अ लॉन्ग टाइम. बट अभी के लिए आई नो इट्स फहद underscore Siddiqui 217. That's the Insta ID. Yeah. So as I was saying, कि let's say price आया, आपका confirmation मिला, and now price is ranging. By the time price reaches this level, let's say you are in a profit of $100. Okay, you are in $100 profit, and when your TP1, which is basically your this area, you will be let's say in $105 or $110 max to max. Okay, so giving up this $5 or $10 is still fine. Like front run बहुत बार होता है in the market. If like whatever sort of levels you have, entry पे you are always supposed to enter only on your level that can never ever change. But when you have levels like this, which are pretty far from your entry, especially if it is pretty far from your entry or TP1, always front run it. This is what front run means. आपका level यहाँ पे, but you are booking your profit थोड़ा सा पहले ही, in case price reverses from there. But just front run it, okay? Like literally ऐसा यहाँ से आया यहीं पे TP कर लिया और यहीं से reversal expect करो, नहीं. Do it around your level, थोड़ा सा पहले कर लो या थोड़ा आगे पीछे करके कर लो, दैट्स इट. बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टेंस रख के नहीं करना. So always practice this. I would say front running is fine, but क्योंकि you are giving up on very small profit, like you are literally giving up. In this particular scenario, you were just losing $5 or $10, okay, and you were still making $100. But what if you would have got into a trade, front run हो गया, and then your SL gets hit? You lost like literally $100, and that was still equivalent to the profit that you were thinking of, right? So always बहुत बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टेंस से डू नॉट फ्रंट रन इट, बट या फ्रंट रन इट. फाद बाय एक्सक्लूसिव मर्चेंडाइज क्या है TWSC में? सो देर आर a lot of hoodies, a lot of t-shirts and different merchandise as well. So if you have enough TWS coin, you can like literally buy it for free as well. And not just merchandise, but a lot of different program that TWS has, a lot of different boot camps and workshops that are organized. You can be a part of them as well, just with TWS coin. Okay, so Prem Bhai just lost 50 TWS because he gambled. I would say do not gamble. Save kar lo, because saving is still fine. Bro, your account is private. Yes, Tarun Chaudhary. Currently, my Instagram is private. But I will accept जो भी request होगी. Don't worry. Sir, your responsibility to make me profitable. Yeah, I would say I'm more than up for such responsibilities. But only thing that I expect from you guys is like efforts, and that's it. Like you are investing your time in the streams. I see you are there around the streams, you are interacting with me. That's perfect. That is the best that you can do with the streams. That is like mainly focused on getting your doubts resolved, providing you trades, providing you insights, analysis, and everything. So if there is a stream which is like dedicated to that cause, so you need to make the most out of it. So that's the first thing. And second is obviously I need you to spend as much time as you can, as much time as you can give to trading, as much efforts you can do, and genuine efforts. Like do not fool yourself कि okay आज 1 घंटा मैंने दिया trading को, 2 घंटा नहीं. Like that work needs to be hard work, smart work, everything mixed. But yeah, you need to be true to yourself as well. Hard work and effort after the stream as well. Yes, exactly. On the stream, you are connecting, you are getting your doubts cleared, you are getting trades, you are getting analysis and everything. That's fine. But after the stream ends, what you do, that matters the most. All right. That is what matters the most. So weekend game nights, almost 72% of you guys said yes. Chalo, that's good. That's perfect. We'll be having a game night on Sunday, I guess. So Sunday को करते हैं at around 10 p.m. Let's do it on Sunday, 10 p.m. So let me know if you guys will be there. Crypto mastery plus stream is equals to success. 100%. I can literally guarantee that if you follow crypto mastery, like literally everything that I've discussed on in that particular program, if you just follow them, make sure you are not breaking any of the rules, and then again you are being a part of the streams, watching all the insights that are shared here. I can like literally guarantee that thing. Like, uh, yeah, 100%. 100 is 10 is good. Chalo Prem bhai, that's perfect. Uh, bro, I opened account with the BingX link. Can I fill the form to enter in the private group? Yes, Karthik Yadav, you can. The private group is absolutely free. As I have mentioned, you do not have to pay anything to get into the private group. All you need to do is sign up to the BingX account. You can see the link which is pinned in this chat and also in the description of this live stream. Sign up to BingX and yeah, take a few trades, like 3 or 4 trades, and just fill the form. You will be added. You do not have to pay for anything. And if someone is asking for the logic behind all of the trades that we've took today or we are planning to take, Sparky buy especially for you, I have explained all the entries, all the logic of all of these trades. And I'm not sure why you are asking Sparky buy, because obviously We are discussing this in depth in the mentorship program itself, right? Like हम daily मैं daily stream कर रहा हूँ आपके साथ, मैं daily doubt solving कर रहा हूँ. It's more like personalized. So it's better to ask there where I can just share the screen and show you like literally each and everything. BTC footprint, what's going on? Let me give you the update from order flow. Just give me a second. So let me shift to 5 minute. Negative delta at the bottom, as I told you guys. Now the buyers needs to show strength. That's the most important thing कि आपने sellers को तो trap कर दिया, but buyers are not stepping in as now. Like if I check net long, it's still in negative. So net longs are not entering. Shorts are basically exiting their position. They are not getting stopped out or whatever. They are exiting. They are booking profits. All right, on the third candle, this candle has almost like 1.5 million longs, but compared to 5 million shorts that you have trapped at the bottom, you need to get more than 5 million longs to stop them out, to squeeze them out, to liquidate them, to like basically hit their SL. So now this will be additional fuel to the fire that will see to the top side then. But as of now, sellers are trapped, but buyers are not showing any strength as of now. If they give us the confirmation, if the buyer starts to step in, that is a trigger to get into this particular one. All right, so that's the update from order flow as of now. Also we are currently at 74 likes. Make sure guys, जितने लोग ने भी अभी join किया है, if you are late, if you were late to the stream, that's fine. Make sure you like to the stream. We are aiming for 96 likes because 69 likes was the TP1. TP2 is supposed to be at 96. And also for subscribers, we are aiming for 950 subscribers on this very stream, right? So if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you're subscribed as well. Also, chalo kuch, let's have an interesting discussion about uh about the yesterday's price action that we had. All right. Should we do that? Should we discuss yesterday's price action like that? Should we do that? Yes, yes. If it's not possible on stream, please explain a video on how to mark levels. Anmol Gaba, you can get into the crypto mastery if you would want it in an extremely structured way. Only if you would want it in that way, you can go for it. What do I see? Yeah, sure. Let's discuss that. What else we have? बताओ बताओ भाई आप कुछ पूछो मत आप कुछ पूछो मत सही बात है भाई मेरे को जस्ट एक सेकंड देना गाइस लेट मी फिगर आउट ऑल द एंट्रीज एंड एवरीथिंग जस्ट मेरे को 2 मिनट देना बिकॉज ये दिस इज डिफरेंट चार्ट ना yep so this is the region this is where everything was happening yesterday I'm still in this long वैसे if I share it with you guys एक सेकंड मेरे को चेक करने दो ये लॉन्ग का क्या स्टेटस चल रहा है where is it I'm still in this long. It's up by 300%. So that's अच्छा अच्छा चल रहा है वो ट्रेड इट्स आई अलोंग एट द बॉटम कल जब वो न्यूज़ तो नहीं था बट या जो भी इवेंट था उसमें आई टुक दिस ट्रेड इट वाज प्रीटी इंटरेस्टिंग वन बट या लेट्स डिस्कस कल क्या हो रहा था ऑलराइट सो द वेरी फर्स्ट मूव that we saw yesterday was first alright was first we got the sweep of the lows स्टोर कैसे खोलें स्टोर का लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा ब्रो पॉवेल पॉवेल someone says पॉवेल I remember someone having a conversation with me and he was calling it Powell. इतने सारे TWSC का क्या करोगे? सैयद भाई, आर यू गोइंग टू ट्राई बाय द ब्रांड इटसेल्फ? बोलेंगे प्रोडक्ट छोड़ो, ब्रांड ही खरीदूंगा सीधे। आर यू गोइंग टू ट्राई दैट? आपसे जितना नॉलेज मिले उतना कम है। हाँ, आई वुड से मतलब मुझसे नहीं, बट नॉलेज स्पेशली व्हेन इट्स अबाउट ट्रेडिंग, द मोर यू गेट द बेटर इट इज। Alright, so we are discussing about this price action first. So first what you got was a sweep of the local, and ये कल वाला जो move था ना, that was purely and purely liquidity के trades, all right, like purely liquidity trades and nothing else. Obviously, for me, like मेरा जो strategy है, based upon that, I had certain levels as well, which were like actually they had like on point confluence with the liquidity levels, so that was a great sign for me. But then again, ये major जो हो रहा था कल, that was purely liquidity. So first you got a sweep of the local highs and got a really interesting closing, and that is, और कल इसी दो इन्हीं दो big candles, this two big candles that you see, I literally took 4 to 5 scalps, uh short trade, long trades, इन्हीं दो candle में I took like a lot of different हाई लेवरेज स्कैल्प ट्रेड्स भाई। दो सिस्टम से लाइव देखूंगा सेम आईडी तो डबल टीडब्ल्यूएस से मिलेगा क्या? दोनों कॉइन, दोनों आईडी पे डिफरेंट टीडब्ल्यूएस ही आएगा, सो यू विल हैव टू, यू कैन गेट टू सेपरेट अकाउंट्स, बेसिकली टू सेपरेट वॉलेट्स हो जाएंगे वो, एंड यू कैन बाय यूजिंग वन वॉलेट ओनली। बट ठीक है, आप दो वॉलेट से, दो अकाउंट से देखो। Yeah, so as I was saying, first you got the sweep of the local highs. That was a trigger. Obviously, a lot of long trades were happening in this area because obviously they were expecting, because since it's a pretty good green candle, they were expecting, okay, this is supposed to break out towards the upside. All of them got trapped. Like number, if I had to give you number, when I was tracking this, there were more than 2 million uh, long trapped at the bottom. It closed pretty well, and that was my trigger to enter. इसमें first shot में ना मेरी entry थोड़ी late हो गई थी when I was shorting this. My entry was bit lower because for some reason I was not very active. But yeah, I had my confirmations at the top itself, but yeah, my entry was bit lower. It played out pretty well, took out all of this bottom liquidity again, and the same. So this was basically down trade, up trade. इसी down trade में I took 2 or 3 scalps, and upside पे भी I took 2 or 3 scalps, and then one of those scalps have turned out to be a bigger trade, which is now up by more than 300%, as I said. So that is what was happening yesterday. Like literally, इतना simple, इतना, you just need to be, you had to be very active, and you had to just like follow the order flow, because when you got the sweep of the highs, the chances were then even higher that this lows might would, like they would have not held, and you would have just dumped one way, all right, and taking out all of this liquidities as well. But then because you could have easily spotted that order flow was very, very bullish at this particular time, it was pretty bullish. And that's why I went in, like, even should I go with, let's say if I usually trade with $5,000, I went in with $8 or $9,000 in this particular trade. And it was pretty great ride to the upside. So that was, it was pretty simple, but then again, it was simple for me because I was able to go with the order flow. Otherwise, based upon price action, जब तक आप confirmation and all का wait करते, the entry would have been too far or probably too late as well. गैमल पे कॉइन लूज होते हैं एंड विन पे भी होते हैं। आपने लूज करा है कॉइन्स गैम्बल में? आई एम नॉट श्योर। विंस, if you gamble and if you win, you do not lose, because once even I tried and I made my, like, account को मैंने 2x कर दिया था in the very first gamble itself. So नहीं, you do not lose if you win in gamble. Obviously, if you lose, you lose. So if someone is not aware what I'm talking about the TWS coin, which is our very own coin. So if you are subscribed to the channel and if you have liked the stream, and every minute that you spend on the stream, you are earning free TWS coin, and you can use them to basically buy different products. Footprints adds an extra edge. Definitely not an extra edge, it becomes your permanent edge, because levels might play, might not play out. Your observation might play, might not play out, right? But footprint is not observation, it's not assumption, it's not कि ये हो सकता है वो हो सकता है. It's a clear data, it's a clear page, clear number. Now if you just basically एकदम basic तरीका भी सीख जाओ आप using the order flow, that's it. That's like literally the game over kind of thing, I would say. Sweep में entry, I only like mostly my entries on the sweep are on the basis of order flow. Liquidity का क्या मतलब होता है? Like you are basically stopping out all the trades that were already there in the market, or you are liquidating someone, or new trades are getting triggered, right? So if you are watching that all those numbers live, कि ये जो चीजें आप assume करते हो कि when liquidity sweep happens, these are the things that are supposed to happen. And if you see them happening, you take the trade. And if you see, okay, these things are not happening. So instead of assumptions, you make informed decision. Gym addiction, I'm not sure, bro. I've like it's I know the guy. Obviously, I know him, but I'm not sure where he is or what he does. All right, all right. So we are at currently at 77 likes. Guys, the target for the stream is obviously 96 likes. So if someone has joined late or if you have not already liked the stream, make sure you like the stream. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe as well because that helps us to grow and helps you to earn free TWS coin. आपकी हॉबी क्या है? My hobby, nothing as such major, I would say. Uh, कुछ ऐसा मेजर नहीं हॉबी वाइज आई वुड से आई लाइक राइडिंग सो आई गो फॉर बाइक राइड्स एंड ऑल recently I've been enjoying driving as well so I like alternate days pe I either go for drive rides are only on weekends and throughout the week if I have to go somewhere then it has to be uh, in car and I'm into very like I'm very much into watches now I like ये new thing है for me I'm not a very experienced guy but yeah, I'm very much into watch now. Collection of that's the goal, collecting a lot of watches. Other than that, most of my time goes in trading, either my personal trading or helping someone with trading. That is what the majority of my time goes in. No problem, Prem bhai. I'll be probably ending the stream in next 10 or 15 minutes. So that's fine. 1400 TWSC collected. Kunal bhai, that's great, brother. You are doing great, I would say. That's perfect. अब एक काम करो जितना भी कलेक्ट किया है सबको एक ही बार में गैम्बल कर दो. लेट्स मेक इट 2800 TWSC. Gamble it, bro. Gamble it. And Greeky trader, even you should gamble your 6520 TWSC. Let's see. Gambling में कैसे results मिलते हैं. Just gamble it all, bro. You are trading with Sidhant team. Yes, I am a mentor in his team. I help traders to like basically what a mentor does. So I'm a mentor in the team. Gamble करने से क्या होता है मुझे भी बताना ब्रो. If you gamble it and if you win, so if you gamble 50 TWS coin, you will win 50 coins. And if you lose, you will lose 50 coins. So वही basic. या तो 100% return या तो 100% loss. Milestone even you should gamble your 4200 TWSC, bro. Let's see the outcome of the gambling. Just do it, guys. Do it. उसमें रिस्क मैनेजमेंट करना पड़ेगा सो दैट्स फाइन. एक काम करो 75% गैम्बल कर दो. बहुत जबरदस्त रिस्क मैनेजमेंट है ये. इट्स द परफेक्ट रिस्क मैनेजमेंट आई वुड से. Gamble basically means casino. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so I guess the sellers are in control. They are dumping the market. I told you guys, right? Like जब तक वो हमारा key level until unless we go above it, there is no long trade. Sir, Telegram group join करूंगा. Yes, milestone, join the Telegram group. Both the links, open Telegram group link is also in the description, and then there is a premium TWS, not TWS, but Bitcoin Hitpoint private uh, community, which is obviously under TWS itself. So you can join that as well. It's free. You have to sign up to BingX account using the link which is in the description or which is pinned in the chat. And and yeah, if you sign up using the link, place some trades, you will be added in the group. Just fill the form. Gautam bhai, yes, definitely. I think that's actually overhyped. Thoda overhyped hai wo. But then yeah, that's obviously it's not very easily available. I'll tell you, even if you have the money to buy it, it's never like you cannot go in a Rolex showroom and directly buy a Rolex. Most of the time, they'll just tell you that they are out of stock or whatever. So you'll have to like get into the different sorts of market there are out there for watch lovers, and then you get into then you can buy the coin. Chalo, we are saved from this particular coin. Let's see what the order flow has for us. 1.7 million short in this running candle. All right, so you see like literally millions and millions of shorts opening in this area. So until and unless you reclaim a very strong level, do not even think of going long. That is what a logical trader would do, right? Like start marking important levels, start marking levels that have certain logic behind them, track this order flow. It makes your trading like it's basically automated. You track order flow, you track your levels. If levels are reclaimed, you trade. If levels are not reclaimed, you do not trade. It's that damn simple. I'm not able to gamble. Sniper FF exclamation gamble, like no space between exclamation and gamble, and then also type the number of how many coins you want to gamble. It should be done. Okay, so the TWS bot is currently on cooldown. So try after probably 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay. Currently we are at 79 likes, guys. Make sure we do hit 96 likes. Solana short. I let me check. Let me check. Hmm. That was the box which I gave to you guys, right? Like the level kind of box. उसके अलावा तो नहीं अभी 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 नथिंग अभी ऑल डन एंड डस्टेड अभी दुकान बंद करने का टाइम हो रहा है double top on gold should be taken out, get a good reversal, take out this lows, pump and take out the highs. Then the logical price action would say something like that. Chalo acha hai. This long trade never triggered, so that's good for us. We didn't get into this one. You can just get rid of this, वरना लोग बोलेंगे भाई लॉस करा दिया, जबकि ट्रेड किया भी नहीं होगा तो भी लॉस करा दिया. But sure, that's fine. I understand that's the part of the game. Sir, is order flow to be used only in confluence? Yes, matlab, uh, you start marking logical levels and just see the numbers. That's it. Gautam bhai, that's a great idea. I would say that's a good idea. Like you'll get to know what happens behind the scene, and yes, Janish, it's not about forex, brother. Like private community is not about forex. Like I do I like if I share the gold ka thing. So all of this moves, this like pretty crazy one, ये जो last वाला तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा crazy हो गया था. And to be honest, I was expecting this highs to be taken out with this particular trade when I entered this long one. I was confident enough with this. So yeah, so this are gold mein I'll be sharing my levels just like this. Like if I tell you I marked this level and I told like literally everyone in the group, if we move above the level, that is when you are supposed to long and you got that long trade as well. So that's it. And if someone's asking how I knew that, that's only because I have some limited knowledge about price action and then a lot of faith in my strategy. That's it. All right, guys, we are currently at 81 likes. Let's go for 96. So if someone has not already liked the stream, make sure you like it. ऑर्डर फ्लो देखने के लिए ट्रेडिंग व्यू का प्रीमियम बाय करना पड़ेगा क्या? यस, यू कैन ईदर बाय अ ट्रेडिंग व्यू प्रीमियम और सर्टेन अदर सॉफ्टवेयर, लाइक देयर आर different softwares as well which are built for order flow and footprint. So even we have a footprint program, but that's something else. लेकिन yeah, you can get into trading view. Yeah, there are different platforms like Exo है, ATAS है. There are such platforms जहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो. बिटकॉइन हिटकॉइन प्राइवेट में गोल्ड का तो नहीं आता, तो कैसे मैसेज करूँ या पोस्ट करूँ? Janice trading Bitcoin, Hitcoin. This particular trade, I can guarantee you, it's there in the group even before it played out. And I was the person who posted this, so that's the reason why I know that this trade is 100% there. This is like literally 110% it's there. Milestone, I can do that, like stocks and all. I can see, I can give my overview for the price action जो भी होगा. Obviously, I do not trade that, so that's there. Karthik Yadav, yes, I do share my gold analysis as well. I mostly trade crypto and उसमें भी I mostly trade Bitcoin. So 95% of my trades are placed in Bitcoin and then 5% in different markets. So I do make sure कि मैं gold की भी analysis post करूँ. So I post about gold, I post about cryptos, and yeah, it was shared in the stream itself. Yeah, see, Ankit Gupta knows. This was shared in the stream and then also in the group, because group mein I posted it, so that's why I remember. And again, all of these three trades, all of these three big moves that you see in gold, they were all right on the stream itself. Okay, guys, so I'll be there on the stream for 3 more minutes and then we can wrap this up. So make sure, if you guys are not already subscribed to the channel, subscribe and also like the stream. Yes. Sorry, I can't check it. No problem, bro. That's the lost opportunity anyways, right? Like if you didn't get to capture this trade because you were not on the stream, if you didn't get this trade because you were not on the stream, and the same for this one as well, you can always join the next stream, always be a part of the next big move, because this is not a one day process or not a one day thing. This we are going to be doing this like literally every day. I stream twice a day. आज नहीं किया because there was literally no move. But most of the day I stream twice a day. 10 p.m. is like it is it is going to be done. It's the permanent timing. It's going to be there. Then afternoon stream, which is somewhere around 3. That's not like fixed. If there's opportunity, I'll come. Or if there's certain price action that I want to discuss, I'll make sure I'm streaming. But other than that, if there's like sideways market, I won't be live then. But yeah, 10 p.m. it's fixed. कुछ भी हो रहा हो, I'll be there. Okay. So I guess it's time, guys. We can probably end the stream here. What is Bitcoin doing? Dumping, pumping, that's all, I'm sure. Yeah. Looks pretty strong as of now. You got some resistance in this area, this key level, this POC. You got some resistance. So if it's able to break above, see again, I I keep it like price action wise, jitna simple possible. That is what I'm trying to do. So that's the point why I always say कि okay, reclaim karna or going below the level is important, because if I was trading personally, I would have just like literally switched on the order flow and all the levels that I've been using from the crypto mastery program, and then just either got in the trade or just have left it. Gotham wants to duel for 10 points. Yeah, you can like battle among yourself as well using the TWS coin. That's a pretty interesting concept, I would say. Insta पे accept कर लिया. Yeah, after the stream ends, everyone who has sent me the follow request, I'll make sure I'll accept it, and I'll just make it public anyway. So Insta account, I'll make it public. No worries. What are the levels that I like to mark? I have a set of different levels for different scenarios, but ऐसा नहीं है कि ठीक है आज market dump हो रहा है, so I have to mark differently, or pump हो रहा है तो differently. There are certain rules, certain logic behind them, and then just mark your levels, because just by marking the levels now, if even if you have very less understanding of price action or market structure, Just by marking those levels, also you'll get like a roadmap that what you can be expecting with the price, where you can expect it to move next. So that's all right there. Okay, nothing crazy happening with this price action. This is all basically all the short traders yet booking their profits जिन्होंने यहाँ पर कर लिया था. That gave you a pullback. Again, price stumped, and when everyone like basically booked their profits at the volume area low. Now again, this is a pretty strong level, right? And you are getting rejection right from there. So this was the region where most of the traders are booking their profit. Like if I turn on the shorts, yeah. So no shorts are opening, no longs are opening. This is all price like profit booking price action. Sure. Chalo, so I was there for just 1 more minute and it's done. Thank you guys for joining today's stream. It was pretty good. We did achieve some of our targets of like 69. TP1 ही होता है on every stream. We are not able to hit TP2. So let's make sure कल के stream पे we do hit our TP2 as well. Subscriber goal was supposed to be at 950 subscribers. Uh, we are currently at 910. That's still fine. I assume before we stream tomorrow, I guess we should hit 950, or if not, then I'm sure stream पर तो हो ही जाएगा. I was aiming कि कल 1000 subscribers हो सकते हैं, but चलो ठीक है, no issues. So I'm ending the stream here. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you for sharing your time with me. I hope you did learn something from the stream, and I'll make sure I'm streaming tomorrow as well. Chalo, bye.